so much more possible than all now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Riska Putriadi. I am going to express my opinion about Eid-Friendly tradition of class Brotherhood. It is significant celebration from Muslim worldwide, marking the end of Ramadan. During this joyous occasion, one of the most cherished traditions is the promotion of class brotherhood among fellow Muslims. This tradition plays a crucial role in fostering unity, cooperation, and solidarity within the Muslim community, strengthening social bonds. It provides a unique opportunity for Muslims to strengthen social bonds through acts of kindness and generosity. The acts of a friend, greeting, warm hug, and genuine smile among individuals during this festive season cultivates a sense of brotherhood and togetherness. This tradition allows people to connect on a deeper level in a festive of their background, reinforcing the spirit of love and unity. Sharing meals and gifts. Another vital aspect of it is the sharing of meal and gifts among friends, family, and even strangers. Muslims often invite others, including those less fortunate, to join in the festive feast. Is the act of hospitality not only raises a sense of belonging, but also promotes a spirit of generosity and cooperation. Similarly, the exchange of gifts symbolizes affection and love, fortunate, strengthening the bond of brotherhood with the community. Community service. It encourages Muslims to engage in acts of community service, emphasizing the importance of helping those in need. Many individuals actively participate in charitable interests such as distributing food, clothing, and financial assistance to the less fortunate. By working together towards common goals, Muslims foster a sense of brotherhood by demonstrating care and empathy for others, particularly during times of celebration. Forgiveness and reconciliation serves as a platform for Muslims to seek forgiveness and reconcile with one another. It is customary for individuals to approach friends, family members, and even acquaintances to mend broken relationships and solve conflicts. This festive not only strengthens the bond of brotherhood, but also promotes forgiveness, understanding, and the restoration of harmonious relationships within the community. In light of the powerful tradition of class brotherhood during it is essential to encourage and of all is practiced within the Muslim community. Individuals can actively participate in fostering unity and compassion by initiating acts of kindness, sharing meals and gifts, engaging in community service, and embracing forgiveness and reconciliation. Furthermore, community leaders and organizations should organize events and programs that form the spirit of brotherhood during it, and encouraging meaningful meaningful interaction and strengthening social bonds in counseling. The Eid-Friendly tradition of class brotherhood play a pivotal role in fostering unity and solidarity with the Muslim community by strengthening social bonds, sharing meals and gifts, engaging in community service, and promoting forgiveness and reconciliation. Muslims can live their sense of belonging and togetherness. Let us embrace and uphold this tradition not just during it but throughout the years to create a more harmonious and compassionate society. This my recommend about a friendly tradition of class brotherhood. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.